Hey YouTube, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review one very special watch from the house of Vostok. And let's not wait further and show you my new Vostok Classica 690B22 reference model in blue dial. And here it is. So let's go with the paperwork inside. This Vostok watch features a 2409.01 hand winding in-house Vostok movement. This is all the chit chat here in Cyrillic, and let's go to the basic specifications here. It is 17 jewel movement 2409.01, and I think that it has a water resistance of 5 atmosphere and minus 22 plus 60 seconds per day, so that is not bad for a very budget watch, and I really like it. And if you see here, this is the warranty card, and I have bought this from Meranom website, and this is the reference number, and this is the date of manufacture or date of inspection, either of them I think. So enough of the chit chat, let's keep the papers aside and let's go to the watch here, and I will also keep the box aside. It's here. So the watch is housed in a 39mm case, and the lug to lug width is 44mm. It has a very nice and very comfortable crown here at 3 o'clock, and since this is a hand cranker or hand winding watch, you have to wind the watch every day. The dial features a very nice art deco kind of late 60s vintage feel, because there has been some Vostok Precision model on which this homage is based, and I think it is really one beautiful watch. And I think that the Glashütte Senator and Glashütte original, not Senator, the Glashütte original watch was also based on this, and some Timex Marlin also was based on this same model. And I think that those time was all these art deco kind of things were made. Now the lug width here is 20mm, and it has a very nice leather strap, original one from the house of Vostok, and the buckle of the strap is also stamped with the logo of Vostok, that is this one, if you can clearly see here. Yes, nice one. And the strap is slightly tapered and very well made of genuine leather. If you can see the feel of the leather in the video, I think that you would already know how good this leather is. And the crystal here is a double dome sapphire crystal, and the stainless steel case, and the fit and finish of this watch is really beautiful. So the most beautiful feature of this watch is the case back here, where you would see that it flaunts its very beautiful movement with all the blued screw, and it mentions Russia 2409.01. Some of the movement component here is golden in color because of the alloy they have used, and it is really nice one. And if you see that it has mentioned here in Cyrillic that the water resistance of this watch is up to 5 atmosphere, and it has a screw type of case back. If you can see the slots for engaging the wrench to open this. The nice domed crystal here gives a very vintage authentic look, and one of the most well made from the house of Vostok. Apart from their amphibias, I think that this is one of the dress watch they have really well made. Earlier I have also bought this Classica model on similar lines with white dial and blue hand. I still have that with me, and that watch gets a lot of praises. So here is one another, and I think if you see the blue dial here, I think that is something altogether a different kind of experience in this watch. So just to start the watch, you need to hand crank the movement. As you can already see that the watch has started ticking, and if you see in the opposite, if you can see that the escapement is already oscillating to drive the watch. So this has been one really nice watch. So it is altogether a different feel, and I think that everyone should try to get this watch, especially those who are the Russian watch enthusiasts. So I definitely think that this is something that will definitely complement their collection, and I think that yes, this is my kind of watch. So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and also to get the alerts, please also click the bell icon. So thanks for watching the video. Stay safe during the COVID pandemic. Use mask and use sanitizers, and you wear gloves and all kind of protection. Keep minimum distance with people, and I think that we will get through this in coming days. So stay safe, have a lovely day, bye.